the worst things could happen.
But if I look at the big picture, it doesn't look good.
B is suddenly realizing that Trump will make everyone better, the economy. When you take a look at his previous videos, you can see that his tone has changed. I was actually shocked when I saw this. Now going to this issue of drones, Trump say he is staying away from his New Jersey golf club amid the drone sighting. The government knows what is happening. Our military knows where they took off from. They know where it came from and where it went. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to comment. Our military knows and our president knows.
So a New Jersey sheriff said, the hell with these drones, I'm fixing to send my own to follow these things. And you won't believe what happened. So authorities out of New Jersey have sparked a little bit of concern after they revealed that a drone that they sent up to track the mystery drone or aircraft or whatever these things are. Anyway, the things evaded them or escaped their drones and literally disappeared into thin air. So Ocean County Sheriff Michael Mastronardi said his department or sheriff's office launched their professional use drone. This was after one of his deputies saw 50 unmanned aerial vehicles, quote, coming off of the ocean. So that officer then called 911 to alert state police as well as the FBI and the Coast Guard. The Maritime Agency then made a report that they saw 13 drones following their boat, and they said it looked like the flying devices had a wingspan of like 8 feet. The sheriff said that his office then put up an industrial-grade drone to follow one of the flying devices that they saw, but it quickly, of course, got away, and as I said, it just vanished into thin air. This incident is just one of many incidents of drone sightings that are really worrying New Jersey citizens, and now they are allegedly being reported in other states along the East Coast as well. The sightings are. The Ocean County Sheriff's Office also stated that they had a struggle trying to track the mysterious flying objects because they reportedly do not give off heat like normal regular drones do. One officer said that they don't know why, and it's not something they've ever had their hands on or experienced before. It's been reported that the mysterious objects look like they are fixed wing, and it was said they have multiple lights on them. Every person who has reported seeing them has been left completely stunned and shocked. It was said that the FBI has received over 3,000 tips in at least 12 counties throughout New Jersey as well as eastern Pennsylvania and Orange County, which is in New York. Donald Trump has since called for greater transparency in all of this, and he demanded that the drones be shot down by the Biden White House, and this is after days of the mysterious sightings. I actually read that some residents are doing just that, shooting at them. Trump asked if all of this could really be happening without America's government's knowledge, without them knowing. He then said to let the public know or otherwise shoot them down, and well, I don't blame him, and I agree. A former FBI counter-drone specialist reportedly stated, though, that shooting the drones down could lead to injuries. This is just crazy and unreal, and honestly, it's time we know the truth. If it is our government or our military, just tell us. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments.
You take a look at this article, Drone Mystery Solved. U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission report radioactive material lost in New Jersey, radioactive shipping, container arrived at destination damaged, empty. Military drones are sniffing for spill site by the regime nuclear cover on the New East Palestine. That is what I saw on social media recently. I don't know if you've seen this. A lot of people are spewing different things pertaining to the whole situation, and it has reached that level. You need to be selective with the kind of information you're getting about this. I don't want to always say things I know less reason. I struggle to report what I see, and from reliable sources.
Because for weeks now, people have been recording videos of drones, of UFO kind of things flying over 7 states. Even governmental offices are stumped by what they're seeing, which shocks me because we seem to be involved in so many other things we can't figure out who's flying the drones. So take a look at what's going on in the USA.
How can you stand there and say to the country right now, gosh darn, we just don't know what these are?
Because I'm not going to lie to you or to the American people, and I'm not going to say we know something when we don't.
It is our job to be vigilant in the federal government with our state and local partners on behalf of the American public, and we can assure their safety by reason of that vigilance. We've deployed personnel, technology, and if there is any reason for concern. If we identify any foreign involvement or criminal activity, we will communicate with the American public accordingly.
Sorry, can't give you great insight on that.
Are you concerned, though?
My concern, yeah, I guess, I don't know. What can I tell you? Yes.
I have a lot of trouble believing that the federal government is doing enough here because there is a near total absence of relevant and significant information.
Now, they say that. They say, if we find out something, we'll let you know. But I don't know if they will. Because look how long it took anybody to crack Area 51.
Yep.
No,
so have any of you actually, because you guys live where these things are happening, have any of you seen these things?
7 states. I haven't seen it, but a lot of people, that was the whole night at this dinner. That's all we were talking about, because everyone had seen these drones.
Oh, they've seen
Over
them.
New Jersey,
They've seen them more.
I absolutely think the government knows what's going on. I don't hate that they're not telling us, because I actually think my theory is, and this is not educated or academic, is that they are testing technology for a time when we could need it. And I actually, because when you think about it, drones, these
That's very doomsday, Sarah.
Well, they can go up to like $1 million. These drones are not cheap.
Yeah.
So someone with a lot of money.
They're not the Christmas gift drones?
No. Those are not. But I think that they can do infrared. They can do a lot of things looking down, and I think they might be scanning.
This is insane. Just when I thought I can get some information from the view for the very first time, Whoopi is claiming the drones could be used for a New Year Eve celebration spanning all 50 states. Another one. If you saw a video I put out 2 days ago where Trump mocked this guy, the view is not excited with that. Like Trump is fat shaming him. The reason Trump put that, it was just a meme. What the guy went on TV to say, partaking to all that, it was crazy. I don't even want to play that video.
Sorry.
Posted a meme, I guess, with his explanation and theory of what's going on, attacking, fat shaming Chris Christie. Do we not have it that we can show it? Right, so I guess his explanation is that there's drones delivering McDonald's. So if you guys think that Donald Trump is going to change, no, he's not. He's the same person that's going to, this is what he did, use his platform when he was president to attack Americans, and I guess, he thinks that's what he should be doing now. But to me, it's a little rich coming from somebody who we've seen time and time again eating McDonald's.
I know. Well, I am
Nothing wrong with McDonald's.
The only one thing that I will say is that I'm surprised that American kids, Gen Zers, haven't figured out how to hack these drones and have them come down and check them out and take pictures and
I think
put them on Snapchat and stuff.
No, I think they know what it is. I think they're not going to really be able to say it, or we're going to get a really hell of a big party for New Year's Eve. It's going to just it's going to be like a dome over all 50 states of these drones, and they're all doing it. Well, why not? I mean, stranger things have happened.
If it's aliens, though, is now the time you'd come to Earth? I don't feel like it would be now.
I will say, now's the time because they can fit right in.
I do have to say, I was only joking about Americans grabbing these drones.
You're not supposed to touch
It is a federal crime to try to take them down. So
but
please leave them where they are.
Getting frustrated
that's why
because the
everybody's
state
frustrated.
law enforcement can't actually do anything. Only
that's
federal
what Schumer's
officials.
trying to do
leave
is
them
to
where
make
they
it.
are.
Chuck Schumer's trying to introduce legislation which will allow local law enforcement to take care of this because they can't.
They can't.
They're not allowed to do it. But people do a lot of things to stuff flying in the air. Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys for always being there sharing out my videos. God bless you abundantly. If you have watched to this extent, thank you. I understand how difficult it is to watch videos coming from the view. Please drop a comment. Let me see under the comment section if you're seeing what I'm saying now. If you're seeing some videos behind my clips, please, I'm begging on you. That is just for the algorithm. You can stop here. You must not watch to the end. I usually like to pass this information so you should understand why I'm doing so. It is for the algorithm. Sometimes they don't want to recommend videos, so we know they are sick.
Just, went like, how dare you? Do you even know what an audit is? And I'm like,
Women and so many men are
theory that a lot of people seem to be coalescing around.
They were too woke, insisting that people use the term Latinx.
You have to say they. No, you have to do this.
Stop with the virtue signaling.
Step away from woke. Focus less on who is woke and more on who is broke.
attorney or something.
I've never seen that.
I saw so many liberals getting super excited every time Kamala had a new celebrity endorsement. But we all know for a fact that these celebrity endorsements are not free.
Oh, is it true that they paid you $1 million for the endorsement for Kamala?
Not true.
Now it's time to unite everybody.
I want you to know what would change after doing this.
Comes out against Trump.
I don't care if they write that.
So, with that, I'm going to shake it off.
Figure out a way to say thank you.
That guy's name, he's such an absolute prick. I can't stand him. But anyway,
Hey there. Not doing great.
Terrible night last night. It was a terrible night.
What will the rest of us be doing on day one?
Bishop Vigano, he says that
the election. Well, if I look at the big picture, it doesn't look good. So I'm going to work on this.
No matter what's going on out there in the world, of course, the worst things could happen.